This is Norderworks review, a Nigerian Norderworks review update. Please friends, do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification so as to get updated whenever I upload a new video. Here on my Trustpilot is 3.3 stars rated Norderworks, and this information you're seeing is all too current for you to compromise anything. An hour ago, somebody made a comment that this platform has been inaccessible and it seems to become a Ponzi scheme, of which I made reference to in my first video. You can pause this video to check this review comment, or you can simply go to Trustpilot at Norderworks and check the reviews again. Now, I made a review earlier about Norderworks when this platform came up, that this platform seems to be like other platforms like TT Mall, likes of GDAX, that have all come up with the same platform, this other platform. You place an order and then it goes off like that. Eventually it crashes. Well, lately this platform actually lasted a period of some 3 months, and so any platform of this nature that has lasted this long is expected to start misbehaving. In other words, it's expected to crash, and this is exactly what this platform is now doing. And the reviewer has gotten, although many people actually earn from this platform as usual, some people is going to earn while some people is not going to earn. Well, I actually invested in this platform, not necessarily money when I say investment, but I actually invested in this platform, and I have a folder called my miners here. This is where I keep any stuff that is of this nature. Now I tried opening it, and this is the information I keep getting, that I'm offline, viewing the offline copy. I tried and tried and tried. It still is not working. Right down below my screen, I'm sorry for the screen resolution, it's unable to show. I tried tapping on all the other icons, like you can see this is Chrome. I tapped on other icons, but it still did not work. So guys, I actually confirmed that this platform has stopped working. They claim to be under maintenance, but I don't know how true this is. But friends, this platform has not been working for the beginning of May. So friends, this is how such income platform behaves. Virtually all of them from my statistics. I've been into this review for a very long period of time now, and I've lost a lot, I've gained a lot. So guys, that's it about this platform. This platform has gone down, and I'm not expecting it to come back up again. So in case it should, guys, do well to back out of this. Give me your comments in the comment section down below, what you think, your opinion on my videos. Thank you.